Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable an app from your workspace in ClickUp. So if you're in your workspace and you have certain apps that you want to, let's say, turn off, you don't want to use them anymore, then follow the steps here. So what you really want to do is to click the drop down on the upper left hand side next to that workspace or the current workspace. If it's in another workspace as well, you can switch between them. But for this purpose here, I'm going to choose this current workspace. Then click an app under the manage section. Now you want to find the app that you want to disable, right? So that could be whatever. I'm gonna just choose something under all apps, or let's go down to AI, for example, on the left side. And here you can see a bunch of apps. So let's say I don't want to use AI note taker, right? I can go ahead and just disable that. And that's it. You just need to toggle these off. You might get some of them might say that you want to confirm certain things, then you can just go ahead and do that. But that's it, guys. And for any apps that you want to add, it could be whatever app that you want to add. You can simply go ahead and find those apps. Click on them, for example, and you can connect those apps, right? Once you connect them, it's going to enable and allow you to add those to your ClickUp. And that's pretty much it, guys.